Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the discussion on orthographic projection of planes. Under this, we are discussing projection of plane inclined to both the plane concept. Under projection of plane inclined to both the plane concept, we are solving a problem on isosceles triangular plane. This is the fifth video on projection of plane inclined to both the plane concept. This is the isosceles triangle. This is the base and this is the altitude. Here base length and altitude is given in the problem. Now we will see the problem. The given problem is a plate having a shape of isosceles triangle has base 50 mm and altitude 70 mm. It is so placed that in front view it is seen as a equilateral triangle of side 50 mm having side inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. Draw projection of plane. Here name of the plane is isosceles triangle. Base side length is 50 mm. Altitude is 70 mm. But in the front view it is given as equilateral triangle of side length 50 mm and the side which is in the VP to be tilted with an angle of 45 degrees to the HP. Now we will write the data. Name of the plane is isosceles triangular plane and base length is 50 mm, altitude is 70 mm. In addition to that, in front view it is seen as a equilateral triangle of side 50 mm having side inclined at 45 degrees to the HP. Here surface inclination is not given. We have to find out the surface inclination, but the condition given in the problem is in front view appears as a equilateral triangle of side 50 mm and the side in the VP is to be tilted with an angle of 45 degrees to the HP. Next, the solution part is divided into two parts, that is part A as well as part B. Part A is demonstration, part B is try to implement the demonstration details in the form of drawing. Now we will move towards the part A. Now we will enter into the demonstration part. What is the name of the object? Isosceles triangle. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? Having two sides of same length and this angle also to be same. In the problem it is mentioned that base length is 50 and altitude is 70. And in addition to that, it is given in the problem in front it appears as equilateral triangle of 50 by 50 by 50. That is equilateral triangle means all three sides are having same length. Now we are assuming initially the plane is parallel to VP and perpendicular to HP, so that in front view it is isosceles triangle. After tilting in front view it appears as a equilateral triangle. That means here basically in the case isosceles triangle this side is 50 and this side is more than 50 here. After tilting this side and this side also becomes 50. So we have to measure the inclination of this surface with VP. Inclination of the surface with VP. That is initially we are placing like this, then we are tilting like this, so that in front of you it is equilateral triangle. Then we'll measure the inclination of the plane with VP. Inclination of the plane with VP. This is second stage. Then third stage, the side that is 50 mm to be tilted with an angle of 45 degrees to the HP. 45 degrees to the HP. Like this we have to tilt so that it is making an angle 45 degrees to the HP. Then we'll draw front view as well as top view of the object. Front view as well as top view of the object. Now we'll move towards the construction of isosceles triangle inclined to both the plane concept. That is part B. Just now we completed demonstration part under part A. Now we are entering into part B. Here we are going to draw the orthographic projection of a isosceles triangular plane inclined to both the plane concept. Now we will see the overview of the solution part. This overview of the solution part is divided into three stages. Here, first is we are assuming isosceles triangular plane parallel to VP, perpendicular to HP. Second stage, in the problem, it is given that in front view it appears as an equilateral triangular plane. Here, surface inclination is not given. We have to find the surface inclination. In the third stage, the side AB is to be tilted with an angle of 45 degrees to the HP. Then draw front view as well as top view. Now we will move towards detailed analysis as well as drawing the projection of isosceles triangular plane. That is first stage, second stage, third stage. The three stages to be discussed now. Now we will move towards the first stage. As a first step, draw XY line. Assume isosceles triangular plane is parallel to VP with base 50 mm is perpendicular to XY line and altitude is parallel to XY line. So draw isosceles triangular plane in front view with base 50 mm, altitude 70 mm. Name the corners of isosceles triangle, then draw projectors vertically down and draw top view here, that is on XY line. Then we'll move towards second stage. In the second stage, it is mentioned that in front view it appears as an equilateral triangle of 50 mm side. That is, we have to fix A dash, B dash, that is 50 mm side, and rotate the remaining plane surface so that A dash C dash length and B dash C dash length becomes 50 mm. Then draw projector from A dash, B dash towards right. Here this length is 50 mm. Construct equilateral triangle. Then from A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, draw projectors vertically down. Then this is A1. Then 70 mm as a radius, A1 as a center. Draw an arc on this projector. Measure this angle. And note that this angle is nothing but surface inclination. This angle is nothing but surface inclination. That is, with this inclination, in front view, isosceles triangle appears as a equilateral triangle. We completed second stage also. Now we will move towards third stage. In the case of third stage, this A1 dash, B1 dash line to be tilted with an angle of 45 degrees to the HP. So draw 45 degrees inclination line. Then copy this equilateral triangle from second stage to the third stage. Draw projectors vertically down from A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, and projectors horizontally rightward direction from C1, A1, B1. Then locate the intersection points, join the points. Here, this is the final top view and this one is the final front view. In the case of stage 1, we are assuming plane is parallel to VP, perpendicular to HP. Second stage, in front view it appears as a equilateral triangle. We have to find this surface inclination. Then third stage, this is final top view and this is final front view when this A1 dash and B1 dash, that is 50 mm side, is making an angle 45 degrees to the HP. Thank you for watching. Keep knowledge sharing. For more videos on engineering graphics, visit the following link.